Cashy, why is everything red? Because today, the market is crashing. Is this the end? No, this is the test. Everyone's selling! Panic spreads faster than logic. Should we sell too? Not without a plan. But we're losing money! We're seeing volatility, not destruction. Has this happened before? Every generation thinks it's different. And they recovered? Stronger, every time. It doesn't feel temporary. Fear never does. What if this one is different? That question appears in every crash. How are you so calm? Because this was always possible. Our reserve fund? Built for days like this. And diversification? Doing exactly what it should. So we're not exposed? We're structured. Prices are cheaper now. Correction creates discounts. Is this actually opportunity? For those prepared. What if we're wrong? Doubt grows when fear gets loud. I feel pressure to act. Emotion demands action, strategy demands patience. They're selling at huge losses. Fear makes losses permanent. Why do they move together? Herd mentality feels safe. Fear spreads fast. Discipline spreads slowly. Should we buy now? Not emotionally. So how do we buy? Step by step. Consistency over timing? Always. Patience feels slow. Wealth builds slowly. It's still falling! Conviction is tested under pressure. What if it falls more, then value increases? How far ahead should we think? Years ahead. History shows recovery. History rewards patience. There's a pattern. Markets move in cycles. So crashes are emotional storms, and storms always pass. But some companies won't survive. Correct. What's the difference? Risk fluctuates, ruin destroys. How do we avoid ruin? Focus on quality. Strong balance sheets, real profits, real resilience. Diversification protects us from single failure. I'm calmer now. Clarity defeats fear. They're still panicking because they had no system. Systems create stability. Systems reduce emotion. I'm observing now. Now you're investing. It's stabilizing. Confidence returns slowly. The panic is fading because panic burns fast. I almost sold everything. Most people did. Emotional control matters that much. It determines outcomes. So today was a lesson, an expensive one for many. But not for us, because we prepared. Preparation beats prediction every time. Fear feels smaller now. Understanding shrinks fear. Crashes reveal character and discipline. Opportunity hides in chaos for the patient. I think I understand risk now. Now you're thinking long-term. So what now? We stay consistent. No dramatic moves, only strategic ones. Long-term still wins? Long-term always wins. Today felt terrifying. Growth often does. Most people panicked. That's why few build wealth. Fear sells. Discipline builds. Crashes create millionaires? For the patient. Prepared investors don't panic. They execute. So this wasn't disaster, it was opportunity. The market crashed, and we didn't.